This video is in response to my friend's question as to how to move pictures and videos from his mobile to Google Storage.
On your Android mobile, go to Gallery, click on this and choose. Here you can choose whichever photo or videos you want to move from your gallery to the Google Drive or any place. I'm going to show as to how to go move it to a Google Drive. So from here I can choose anything. So on top you can see three dots here. Just touch that, you get select. So you just select. Now you can choose. Now I choose this photo, this picture. I am choosing this picture, and when I go down I can choose this image video. I am choosing this video also. So all these, so five has been selected. You can see on top, five items have been selected. I want to move. So on the bottom you have what is called a share. Touch that. If you touch that, you will get all the avenues to which it can share. At the bottom, you can see Drive is there. Just click on that. If you click on that, this will go automatically upload to the Drive onto the account you have. By default, it will go to the last folder. Or supposing I want to create a new folder. I don't want to store it here. So I just click on this. On top, you can see here a plus sign. Click on that. Now, supposing I've gone on a tour and I wish to place it as a tour folder. So I'll just say tour 2026. I just create one folder. So then come back and select, press this select. Now it will say all these five items will go into this folder called tour 2026. Now press this upload button. Now upload has happened. Let us go and see as to upload has really happened. For that, you have to go to your Google Drive. Within Google, you have what is called a Google Drive. If you go here, you can look for where is the 226 folder is here. Just touch that. You can see all the five items have been moved here. That's it.
To continue to get such informative videos from this channel, please subscribe to this channel. How to subscribe? You will see the subscribe button on the right hand side bottom of your screen. Click on that so that you will get all the videos that are being posted in this channel.